we've just become more nimble, more flexible. I think many would say more modern in terms of where we are today than where we were.
The pandemic was a difficult time for Manitoba's Provincial Court, creating a significant backlog, but one judge says it's now better prepared than ever for a future pandemic. Challenges caused by COVID-19 are detailed in the Provincial Court of Manitoba's annual report for 2020-2021, released today, in which the province's chief judge explained while the courts were not prepared for the pandemic, they were able to adapt through expanded technology and communication.
Justice system is a very a traditional system. It's based on tradition. It's based on precedent. And so certainly we were challenged, but I think we are in a place stronger than where we were before.
All Manitoba court regions experienced an increase in the number of appearances this year. They worked through a total of 32,194 cases, but that's a drop of 27% when compared to the previous year. Provincial Judge Anne Cron says the courts continue to serve its 57 communities as best as possible to ensure essential operations continued during COVID-19.
Certainly, it challenged us to change the way in which we worked, where we worked, how we worked.
Crimes like first and second degree murder, manslaughter, and attempted murder made up less than 1% of the total cases, while lesser violations like condition breaches, failure to attend court, and other matters cited as administration of justice accounted for more than 42% of cases. The report also found that the number of cases taking longer than 18 months has climbed slightly as well, increasing 2.8% over the last year, with the pandemic again being cited as a potential factor, but the vast majority were completed within 18 months.
That's a long-term commitment of our court, is to try to increase, to be more efficient with what we have, to be faster with what we have.
Judge Cron, who just finished a term as an associate chief judge, says while the past year was a challenging one for the courts, not just here in Manitoba, but across Canada, she's confident they'll be able to address the backlog by targeting resources towards areas where backlogs are significant, like northern communities.
We continue to work on all of those things. They are big issues. They're not easily solved, but I can tell you that you should have confidence, and the public should have confidence, that we are very much aware of what those challenges are and are working with all of our partners to try to address those challenges.
A statement from Manitoba's Justice Department says they continue to explore innovative solutions and technologies that will support greater access to justice throughout the province and are committed to reducing the remaining pandemic-related backlog. In Winnipeg, Modjeski, City News.